You ready to do gymnastics? Do you want to do gymnastics? Say, I'm at Richmond Twisters. You look so cute. We're going to go get you a leotard after this. There's no slide, babe. Hold on, baby.
Let me see straddle, Mariana. Good job. All right, now reach up. Put your hands over on one foot. See how Mariana's touching her toes? Stretch. She's like, this doesn't feel good. And reach up in the air. All right, we're going to do it again to the other foot. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Go back to your straddle. All right, let's touch this foot. Can you touch those toes? Touch them. Good girl. Now put your hands in the middle. Stretch to the middle. Oh, very good. You want to keep your straddle open wide. Does that hurt? It's like, I don't like that. All right, now we're going to do pike. Watch them. Pike is when we close our feet together. Good. Sit on your bottom and put your feet together. That's okay. All right, watch them. Good. Mariana, keep your knees straight and your feet together and your toes pointed. Let's practice pointing our toes. Does everybody know how to point your toes? Let me see. Can you sit like me? Sit like me. Mariana, point your toes forward. You put them side by side. You got some good girl. That's gotten so much better. I want you to stand up and stretch. Stand all the way up and stretch. And then again. Good girl. Open your hands some. All right, here it rolls. I see you hopping, Dakota. Come here, Dakota. Dakota.
Coda, back over there, baby. Back over there. One.
Hands
You're okay. Roll. Whee!
Whoopsie. It's okay. Listen to me, okay? Put your hands down.
Good girl.
Head down. Good.
Good girl.
Good job. You did a flip.
Yay!
All right, girls, sit down. Leah. No flips when you're sitting around people. When you kick somebody by accident. All right, everybody sit on the blue line. Good girl. All right, come over here closer to me and I'll help you. All right, ready?
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 You're okay. You're okay.
Roll back.
One,
And we're going to flip
2,
over.
3, go. Whee!
Yay! You did it.
Yay! Good girl.
All right, Ava.
Okay, come back and sit down. Come back and sit down.
Ready? Hands up.
Good girl.
Push. Good. Let me see a better push-up position. Do it again. Get in your push-up. Get your butt down. Stomach in. Squeeze. Look for your toes. There you go. That's how you want to land. Smoother. Easier. Right, Mariana. Bridge up. Remember, pull your knees over your head. No, this way. Yep. Ready, go. Roll and push. Good job. Use your hands to push when they get on the mat. All right, Dakota, your turn again. Come
on.
Here.
You're going to do the flip. You're going to have fun.
Lay back.
1, 2, 3.
Push over.
Yay!
Good job,
Good
Dakota.
girl.
And slide down the hill. Looks like you're on a sliding board.
Okay, come on, let's go back and sit down.
All right, now I'm going to pick your feet up, okay? Ready? Put your hands on the mat. Turn this way. Put your hands on the mat.
You're okay. Put your hands on the mat. Put your hands on the mat.
Hands. There you go. Push up. Push up big. You're doing it.
Good girl.
Doing it. Look at good girl.
All right, go sit back down.
I gotta do my victory lap first. Celebrate. All right, come sit down, Dakota.
Come on, sit down on the mat.
Come here, Eva. I'm gonna spot you for 2 back walkovers, and then you can do your round off. Put your hands down. Good girl. Don't let your head touch. Don't let your head touch. Oh, Dakota!
Yay!
Girl, Dakota, you did it!
Put your head down. Good girl. Yay.
And Stella's still working on her forward roll too.
Okay.
All right, let's go over to the tumble track. Line up at the end. Let me move the snack over there, girls. Ready up. Hold my hands. Let me see bounce. Ready? Bounce. Bounce. 2 feet. Bounce. Good girl. You do it. Jump with your feet together. Keep your
Bounce.
feet together.
Jump like a frog, Coda.
Let me see how. I forget who's next. Who's Leah?
Yeah, you gotta wait your turn to jump.
Open up. Good girl. Keep those knees straight. Up and down. Good girl. I always want to just tie their feet together. Then they have no choice. Then they'll catch on, but they might fall and get met. Seat drop. Look, Dakota. Watch her bouncing her. Good girl. Stella wouldn't even stand on this.
Really?
Walk across. Walk to me.
Yeah, big beam. Good girl. One foot in front of the other. Good girl.
You're doing so good. All right, let's turn around. Turn around. Good girl.
All right.
Now, I want to see you walk sideways. Watch my feet. Step together. Step together. Can you go sideways? Ready? Step together. Step together.
Good girl.
Oh, look at you. Good girl, Dakota. Oh, I think we're ready to get down. That was so good. Give me 5. Good girl. All right, can you go back to the little beam and practice sideways? All right, Leah.
It's your turn. Go, Coda. It's your turn.
Right, come on, Dakota. Ready? Jump up. Whee! All right, now touch your belly. Touch your belly on the bar.
Good girl.
Push up real high.
Sort of.
Push. Straight arms. Can you push yourself up higher? Push up higher.
Maybe.
There you go.
Oh, you almost have it. Good girl. Good job.
From Friday to Saturday.
Leah's turn. All right.
Good girl. Yay.
Good job.
She's like, no.
Yeah.
Good girl. Yay. That's a big girl.
All right, let's go to the trampoline. All right, lay back down. Lay back down. Oh, goodness. All right, which way down?
Lay down, Coda. Lay down. Lay down.
The wave one? All right, lay down.
Lay down. Lay down.